How I easily found a $35,000 a month product in 10 minutes. Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dan Vas, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing some live product research, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how I found a $35,000 per month product to sell on Amazon FBA. Product research is definitely the most challenging part of starting an Amazon FBA business, and a lot of people get stuck in what I call analysis paralysis. So, they're always just looking for products, and, they're wondering, there's never really a perfect product. They're always like, wait, is this product going to make me money? This product looks like it's going to be too expensive to ship. This product has a high unit cost. This product looks too cheap, not high enough value, right? So you want to make sure that you stay away from the analysis paralysis. The best way to do that is by obviously learning the absolute best product research methods, the best techniques, which I'm going to show you here in this video today. And I actually wanted to show you my favorite product research method right now that I'm using to find successful products to sell on Amazon, and it's called the magic keyword method. And this method will never get bad. So a lot of people, when they're watching these videos and they're watching my videos, they're looking at the upload date of the video and they're checking to see when I uploaded the video to see if the product research method is still good. And I'm telling you right now, this method will never get bad. And the reason why is because the amount of products that you can find with it is literally endless. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you what the magic keyword method is. For the magic keyword product research method, you're gonna need this magic keyword list, and I've made this freely available in the link down below. It's called the Amazon FBA Starter Pack, and part of that, you'll get a lot of other very important free tools that will really help you in starting your successful Amazon FBA business. So with this magic keyword list, you can pause the video now, go ahead, download it, it's free, and then once you've gotten your Amazon FBA Starter Pack, you can come back and then we can continue. So with this magic keyword list, I've created a list here of all different keywords for every single category that is good to sell private label products in. And with these keywords, basically what we're doing is we're going to select the category. So let's say we're going to select beauty and personal care, and then we're going to select skin, or we're going to type in skin. And so what that does is that will actually allow us to look at products on Amazon that are in the skin niche, right? So they fit that keyword. And since there are so many different words for each category, and obviously it's not limited to just the words on this list, I recommend just starting out with the words on this list, just if you're a beginner, if you're just starting with product research. But later on, you can use any words that make sense. So if you want to search in the beauty category, let's say you're interested in beauty, then you want to make sure that the word you're typing in is actually going to be relevant to beauty products. So we're not going to type in tools in beauty, unless maybe we could, because that might show us beauty tools, right? But you get what I'm saying, right? We're not going to type in cell phone in the search bar and then select baby. It's just not going to show us, might show us like baby cell phones, right? But obviously the list will not be very, very detailed. So let's get started. Let's choose a keyword here. I'm going to select skin, and I'm going to go and click on the category. It's very important to select the category first. Don't just type the word in. A lot of people make that mistake. And what you want to do also is you want to click on select your address. Make sure you sign out of your Amazon account. You want to do this by signing out, because if you remain signed in, Amazon will show you products that fit your buying history, and it's not going to be accurate to what everybody else sees on Amazon. So we want to make sure that we sign out of our Amazon accounts. And then for the zip code, you want to type in a US zip code. So I always just type in 19901. So we're going to click done, and then click beauty again, because that took away the category. And now we're going to type in skin. So I just typed in skin, I pressed search. Now, as you can see, for some reason, Amazon does this sometimes. It glitches out a bit. It reset the category back to all. So instead, what you want to do is you actually want to click on see all 28 departments, and then click on beauty tools and accessories. And that way it's going to show us skin products just in beauty. So now what we want to do is we have this whole list of all these different beauty products. What we want to do is open up Jungle Scout. Now, Jungle Scout is by far the absolute best Amazon FBA tool out there. It's the tool that I've been personally using since I started selling on Amazon. And believe me, I would not recommend BS. I would not recommend tools just so I make money. Like this whole YouTube thing, and for me, making videos is more of a side thing for me. I love doing it. I love sharing what works for me along my own journey in e-commerce, building and investing in new e-commerce brands. By the way, if you want to get investment for your e-commerce brand, right now we have our Ecom Freedom VC. It's open to new investments, and you can get between 1 and 10K for your e-commerce brand. You can strategically partner up with us. There's going to be a link down below to apply. You do have to have a brand idea first. So if you don't have a brand idea, you can follow along this product research video, and you can start by getting that first. So with Jungle Scout, the reason why it's so good is because it shows us exactly how much money products are making on Amazon. And without this, it would be really, really difficult to even start a successful Amazon business. I use this tool to make my first $32K a month with Amazon FBA. This was back in 2017, and this remains the best tool. There are other tools out there like Helium 10, which I'm not a fan of at all, simply because Jungle Scout has the absolute best accuracy and like in terms of like how much money products are making and what it shows. And also it has a lot of amazing tools like Keyword Scout, which helps you with finding the absolute best, highest converting keywords for your product. It also has Supplier Database, which helps you find your competitor suppliers in China, which is super powerful. It's insane. So the link for Jungle Scout is down below. I'm partnered up with them, and I got you guys the absolute best deal. It's the cheapest price you'll find it anywhere online, and they were nice enough to create that deal for us and for my subscribers. So once you get Jungle Scout, then you're going to go and you're going to see this list here. You're going to click on the Chrome extension on the top right. And now we're going to click on Load More Results at the bottom. And what you want to do is you want to wait until the circle stops spinning, and you want to rinse and repeat 10 times. So just click that button 10 times. What it's doing is it's pulling all the results from the future pages, so from page 2, page 3, page 4. And what we're going to do after we've pulled 10 pages of results, so we clicked on it 10 times, we're actually going to apply a filter, which is only going to filter out profitable products for us to sell. So I'm going to go and pause the video. I'm going to click on this button 10 times. And once I've done that, I'm going to come back. All right, so now I've clicked on it 10 times, and as you can see, we have 298 results. So the next step will be to click on Menu on the top left, and then we're going to click on Filter Results. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to apply a filter, and we're only going to put in numbers, or we're going to put in the criteria that will only show us potentially profitable products. And the first thing that we have to do is we have to put in the price. So I always put in 15 to 75. You can put in all the way up to 125, 150, but for most of you selling those products that are being sold at those prices, they're going to be too expensive to source from a factory in China. It doesn't have to be in China. You can source from anywhere. Yeah, it's going to be too expensive. So that's why 15 to 75 is the best price range to start with. And then the next thing we want to put in is we want to put in a rank. And so what the rank is, all products on Amazon, they're organized by BSR, so bestseller rank. And basically how it works is that the lower the rank, the more sales per day that the product is selling. And whether that's organically, whether that's with PPC, meaning that just sales all across the board, right? So for the rank, as part of the Amazon FBA starter pack that you got for free, what you want to do is you want to open up the BSR range sheet, which looks like this. So here we've got the recommended BSR range sheet for Amazon USA. This product research technique works incredibly no matter what marketplace you are searching on. You know, this works equally as good for Amazon Germany, Amazon Canada, Amazon France, and you can sell on those as well no matter where you are from in the world. Although Amazon USA, I recommend starting on that just because it's the biggest market and has the most amount of sales. So for recommended BSR ranges, as part of the starter pack, you get the US BSR ranges. If you want to get the German BSR ranges or the Canadian ones and other marketplaces, stay tuned until the end of the video and I'm going to talk about how to get that. So for the BSR ranges, you can see here there are ranges for all the categories. So we're going to select beauty. Obviously beauty is the category that we're searching in. And what I like to do is I like to take this number, 100, all the way up to 19,000. So I like to take the first number in the primary and the second number in the competing, all right, and then I put it in here. So 100 to 19,000, just like that. And then I click apply. All right. So that filtered out our results from 200 all the way down to 64. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go product by product and we're going to search for potential product opportunities to start selling. So for example, we've got this skin scrubber, which looks very interesting. Actually, this is similar to a product that I sold that was very successful my first year of selling on Amazon, which actually grew into a brand. So this one right here, it's just a skin scrubber. I really like that. It's making $200,000 a month. As you can see right away, we found a product that's making $200,000 a month. Obviously, we have to check competition, and there's a few additional checks we have to do, which I'm going to show you. But you know, a potential product right there that we can grow a brand out of. So here we've got like a skincare solution for razor bumps. So this is like a liquid. Anything like creams or liquids, you want to stay away from for your first product. It definitely does require more experience. Portable handheld high frequency skin therapy one machine. That's a that's a tongue twister. Skin tag remover. Okay. Let's keep looking. I love this brand name, Goog, right? So there's so much, you know, there's so many products that are making so much money on Amazon with just such terrible brand names like Goog, you know, and this is selling $65,000 a month. Right, so you can come in here and you can create a new brand. You can create something like, you know, Clear Skin or something like that. Obviously, you want to make sure it's not trademarked. I talk about that in my complete Amazon training. I've got that on my channel. It's a 5-hour video. I know 5 hours, it's long. You don't have to watch it in one sitting. But I recommend you finish watching this video because I still have a lot to say here. Super important for you to succeed. And then later on, you can watch that video after. AMZ Girl. Okay, literally a brand called AMZ Girl is making $51,000 a month. Okay. And people tell me that Amazon it's too late to start on Amazon. It's too competitive. No, it's not. Look at this. 150 reviews, 51,000 a month. It's not that hard to get 150 reviews. A brand we just launched a few months ago already has, I think, 160 reviews on our listing. So, you know, boom, AMZ Girl. All right, so we've got a few open. Once you've got about 5 to 10 open, what you want to do is you want to go to the top here, click on all departments, make sure you select all categories, and then you want to type in the main keywords that would pull up similar products to this. So we're actually looking for competing products, competitors. So for this, it would be a skin tag remover, all right? So we type in skin tag remover, and as you can see, it's showing us a bunch of liquids, which that's not what that was. What that was like a pen of some sort. So a note of warning, there's a lot of products that are restricted on Amazon. There's a lot of products that are considered medical devices. This could potentially be a product like that. So that's just something to be careful of. There are ways of checking, which I'm gonna talk about how to do that at the end of this video. But anyway, so for this one, skin tag remover USB. So I'm just gonna type in skin tag remover USB, okay? So there you go. Once you start seeing products that are similar to the one that you found, what we wanna do is open up Jungle Scout. And now Jungle Scout is going to show us how much money these products are making. So this one has 1,426 reviews and it's making $100,000 a month. This one has 150 reviews, making $50K a month. So just making enormous amounts of money. And it looks like they just launched recently. So what you want to do is you want to scroll to the right. You want to sort by rank. You want to go to the left. And what we're searching for is we're searching for a primary product and two competing products. So the primary product would be that product or a version of that product that is being sold that has the lowest BSR rank, meaning the best BSR rank. So this one, this Nano Ionic Facial Steamer, totally different product. So we're gonna delete that from our list. Parts kit, that's not it at all. We're gonna delete that. Blackhead remover, no. Don't sell blackhead remover, it's very competitive. Okay, so this is a skin tag remover, but it's not the electronic device that I found. So I'm gonna delete that. You want to make sure that the product that you're looking at, when you're looking for primary and competing products, you want to make sure that it's the same or similar to what you found. So this is also some like manual skin tag remover, so we're going to delete that. Blackhead vacuum, no. Let me see. You don't really have to go manually down the list. You can just go extreme skin tag remover. Yeah, that sounds painful. Okay, so this one looks like it would be our primary product. All right, so 168 reviews, 17,000 per month. There you go. It has a rank of 13,954 in beauty. Okay, so this would be our primary product. And let's look for our first competing. We want to find two competing products. So this would be our first competing. It's 5,000 a month, 39,000 in rank. And our second competing product would be this one right here, 4,000 a month, 41,000 in rank. Now that rank seems a little high to me. So what you want to do is you want to check on the BSR range sheet. As you can see, the primary product has to be between 100 and 18,500 in rank, and the competing has to be between 150 and 19,000. So these competing products are way above. They're like 40K in rank. Now, these are just guidelines. It's up to you whether you want to sell something or not. I recommend you stay within the guidelines if you're a beginner. But for me, as an experienced e-commerce seller, this product could be good. It could just be brand new. As you can see, obviously the top seller has a lot of reviews and they're making 110,000 a month. Potentially also good for Shopify, because on Shopify, you don't have problems with medical devices and things like that. You can sell those on Amazon. You have to be careful. But for this specific product opportunity, could be good, but the fact that there's only one seller, it is a caution red flag. Let's look at some of the other ones here. Okay, so this one is a handheld high-frequency skin therapy wand machine. All right, so we're going to go up, go to all departments. We're going to type in skin therapy wand machine. So there you go. It has this very interesting shape. So we're going to open up Jungle Scout. All right, and then we are going to wait until this loads. And we're going to go to the right, and we're going to sort by rank, by BSR rank. Okay, so we've got this one here. So this one has 10,000 reviews. And then we've got this one here. It has 3,000. And then we've got this one, which has 1,000. That's not it. These are just attachments, I'm assuming. Oh, no, it is, yeah. So, and we can see here, but it's the same company selling three different versions of them. And they're not exactly the same. This is a $42 one. This is $79. This is a $120 one. So you want to make sure that whatever you're looking at is similar. So I'm assuming this one has only 4 attachments and these have more attachments. So we're going to remove that. Let's keep looking. This one's black, so that's not a competing product. Okay, that's New Derma. So the same. So this one looks like 13,000 a month, 26,000 in rank, which according to our BSR range sheet, that would fall outside of the rank. However, you do have to pay attention. In Jungle Scout, sometimes it will show you the rank for the subcategory, not the main category. So if we go into the actual listing and we scroll down, we can see that, where is the rank? Yes, indeed, it's 26,000 in beauty, which falls outside of our range for BSR. Okay, so then we got the skin scrubber spatula. So if I go to all departments, skin spatula. Now, of course, one thing about these product research videos, you're watching these videos and you're seeing you're kind of expecting me to find some next level product in 5-10 minutes. And of course, yes, I found a few potential products here, but really for effective product research, what it takes is at least 1 to 2 hours of focused work, like sitting in front of a computer on Jungle Scout, practicing these techniques and not getting distracted, putting your phone on flight mode. Most people can't focus. They're always just going on TikTok. They're always going on social media. So if you can do that, and you can do that, 3 times a week at least for like 2-3 weeks, you will find a successful product. You will. There's just no question about it, okay? So here, let's see how much reviews these ones have. We're gonna open up Jungle Scout. And there are so many of them too here. I can see there's a white one, there's a pink one, all right? So there's a lot of different opportunities. If we sort by rank, okay, so again, that New Derma one. So now we're not looking at that one, we're looking at the Skin Spatula. That one doesn't have any reviews, or doesn't have any price or anything, so we're gonna remove that one from the list. Okay, Goog Goog. So this one, 871, 14,000 reviews, and then we've got this one, and then we've got this one. So there you go. Same price point, all making tremendous amounts of money, 24,000, 203,000, 122,000 a month. And the third one has 58 reviews, which is low, means it just launched and already making 24K. On the review side, you want to pay attention to this. So if a product if all 3 of them have above 1,000 reviews, then it's too competitive and you don't want to do that product. But if 2 of them out of the 3 have over 1,000 and one of them doesn't, then it's fine. Okay, so that's how you look at reviews there. So there you go, another potential product. Now, this is just me in like 15 minutes finding products, right? As you can see, there's so many other ones on here that I didn't even look at. Hard wax beads, facial cleansing brush, waxing kit, sonic facial cleansing brush, right? And this would be perfect for somebody who wants to start a beauty brand, especially if that's your area of interest, if you have life experience in that. Now, a lot of people ask me, Dan, how do I get one-on-one mentorship? And also, what's the best course to buy? There are so many courses out there, and I'm not sure which course is the one that's actually going to make me successful. And this is where I'd like to mention my course, the Ecom Freedom course. And honestly, it's a normal question nowadays to ask yourself, why even buy a course, and what really makes your course different, Dan? Like, why can't I just learn from your free videos? And although my free videos are incredible, the course is over 100 hours of video. Literally every single step that you need to build a successful Amazon FBA business and brand that you can scale, just like we did with the recent brand, Brode, up to $1 million valuation and more, and then scale it to 6 to 7 figures per year in sales. No BS, no fluff. It has unlimited world-class mentorship with myself, who's a proven Amazon seller. You can see my numbers on YouTube. I just posted recently for one of our brands, as well as our team of 6 to 7 figure sellers who are verified at Ecom Freedom. So it's not just me doing the mentorship, it's also our team as well. They're verified, they're proven sellers. They've shown me the numbers and we know each other's products. So if you'd like to learn every single thing you need to build a successful 6 to 7 figure Amazon FBA business, check out the links down below. You'll find a 7-day free trial for the course so you can try it risk-free. And there's always a special offer going on. I like to make it just a little bit easier for you to join so you have a little bit more money to invest in your product. And in the description, you'll also find a case study called the Freedom Blueprint, where we take a brand new product and we scale it into a 6 to 7 figure brand with $1 million valuation as well. You'll find that in the description down below. Depending on when you watch this video, it's going to be available. Thank you so much for watching this video. I pride myself on the quality of my e-commerce content and my entrepreneurship, motivational, inspirational content. I hope that you really found value in this. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. I'm going to do my best to answer. You can also add me on Instagram at Dan Vas and send me a DM on there. I'm always answering DMs. There's also a link to my podcast down below, which is great to listen to if you're driving, if you're just chilling, if you're on a walk, and I talk about entrepreneurship and topics that really vibe with me and that I really care about, that really help you as well. I think sharing my insights. So once again, thank you so much and good luck to you. Success is close.